YouTube. What's good, family? Another day, another part of the grind. It's pretty sunny out today. It's pretty bright. You already know. So, first look of the box. It looks pretty okay. It's not completely dry. It's still tacky, but it's not coming off on my hands. So today, you already know what time it is. I'm about to fix the wiring, and I'm about to go ahead and mount the ground zeros. So stay tuned in. I'm gonna get the ground zeros out of the building, and I'm gonna get at this wiring. I'm gonna see if we can't get this thing playing. I got the doors playing yesterday. They sound amazing. So I'm gonna try to get y'all a video playing the highs or the doors. Let y'all see what that sounds like. And then I'm gonna get these ground zeros in here and let y'all see what that sounds like. What do you guys think? Y'all think that look better? Y'all think how I painted it look a little bit better? I did the white all around. You're only gonna be able to see what you can see through the port, but I still did that. I thought it looked cool. So stay tuned in, like, share, and subscribe, baby. Let's get it. It's time to level up 2022. YouTube, what's good, family? So we back. As you can see, we're getting the monsters in there. We got that too on that side. We did a little decorating on the inside of the box. Since we redone it, we got this one in there. And we got one more sub to go. And the ground zeros will officially be in. It look like some sexy speakers, bro. It looks so big. So, I don't have that last sub in yet because I want to do something special for my boy. My boy, Fathers of Bass, said he wanted to see a side-by-side comparison of the ground zero. I gotta look over the shop, you guys. I know it's messy. But anyway, he wanted to see a side-by-side comparison of the ground zero and the Resilient. Now, first of all, keep in mind, this is an entry-level Resilient. This is like $150, $160 sub. I forgot what they're going for right now, but I think it's like $150. So keep in mind, this is an entry-level $150 sub as far as the Resilient. It's an entry level. So this sub is actually rated 500 watts RMS. Well, one difference that you can see, for one, so far, is the push terminals on the Resilient are way smaller. The tinsel leads on the Resilient are smaller, and they're not woven in to the spider. See, they're not woven into the spider. All right, so the terminals are smaller and the tinsel leads aren't woven into the spider. And the motor is smaller. So, that being said, the Resilient also still has a 3-inch voice coil. Both subs have a 3-inch voice coil. The Resilient and the Ground Zero have a 3-inch voice coils. Both subs have a dual spider pack. Both subs have a dual spider pack. Both subs have a high roll surround for exclusion. Both subs have a high roll surround for exclusion. The Resilient has the traditional gasket, like the newer speakers. The Ground Zero does not. It has the old school little sponge pieces between there, but there's no gasket for the bottom. These have the gasket, which most people say it helps it seal up airtight when you mount them. All right, so This one has a gasket. That one does not. This one has a smaller motor. This one has a bigger motor. So, yeah, they both have stamped steel baskets. Like I said before, as far as the terminals, you can tell these terminals are way bigger. I can't tell how good you can see in there, but it has the woven tinsel leads. Both of them still have dual pack spiders, and both of them still have 3-inch coils. So they're the same there. And that's pretty much it. This dust cap is a little bit stiffer. Actually, I think they're even. The dust caps are about even. This sub, I will say, is a stiffer sub, but this one's broke in a little bit, and this one's brand new out the box. So this one is designed to hold, I think it was 1,000 to 1,800 is how they worded it in here. Showed you in the other video before. Can't get the focus. Hold on, you guys. Power handling, RMS, 1,000 to 1,500 range is everyday use. Competition use would be 1,500 to 1,800 range. And for SBL, no warranty is anything above 1,800 watts. So normal use would be 12 to 1,500 watts on this one versus the Resilient 500 watts. It's a 500 watts RMS, conservatively rated is how they put it on the website. So those are the differences. And as I was saying before, keep in mind, the Resilient is only like $150. The Ground Zero is $350. So it's a $200 price difference. So keep it clear and know these are not the same level of subs. This is an entry level sub. This is about, I think, 3 levels up, if I'm not mistaken. I think Aaron said this one is 3 levels up from the lowest level Ground Zero. So entries level, 3 levels up. $150, $350. So of course there's going to be differences, but like I said, they both do have a 3-inch voice coil. They both have copper voice coils. This one's, of course, these come in dual 2s. Of course, these only come in dual 4s. So, yeah, there's this side-by-side comparison. Hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys seen it knowledgeable, and I hope you found out what you want to know. Like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned in. I'm going to get this last sub in. I'm going to bolt the port up. And we're going to see what time it is. That magnet is way bigger. I mean, like I said, it's 2 more levels up. So I like putting it side by side because the magnet looks small on the Ground Zero, but it's way bigger than it looks. Like, it's way bigger. I can't tell. The camera ain't doing it no justice because it's way wider or whatever, and it's thicker. So, sorry guys about the camera view. I'll try to get it the best I could. Like I said, like, share, subscribe. Give my boy Aaron over there at 8/3 Old Statesville Road. Give him a shout out. Give him a holler. His information will be in the description. Let's get it. All right, YouTube. One more clip. All 4 subs are in. I'm about to put the RGBs in. After I put the RGBs in, I'm going to go ahead and throw this port section in. and it's gonna be time to play it. I want to play it and demo it first on the 3K because I haven't took the 3K out yet, but I want to see what it does on the 3K. Play them, break them in a little bit, and then we're gonna go ahead and switch to the Sound Digital, the Evo 5K. One reason I want to do that is, for one, I want to break the subs in, and for two, I just want to see the difference between the base 3K and the Sound Digital 5K. One's 3K, one's 5K. We all know that difference, but I just want to see the difference in the way it sounds, and I want to meter it and see the difference in the dB gain. Maybe somebody has a 3K and they're thinking about switching to a 5K, and they're wondering if it'll be worth it to switch to a 5K or if they need to go bigger. So I'm going to play it with the 3K first, break them in, get a good reading on them, get a good meter on them, and then I'm going to switch it to the 5K. So stay tuned in, like, share, subscribe. I will be firing this puppy up in the next segment of this video. So make sure you stay tuned to the end. I'm going to fire these up too. I already got them playing. They sound magnificent. So I'm going to go ahead and say right now, I do not own the rights to no music played in this video. Let's get it. YouTube. All right. So we back, as you can see. Got the port in, got the wall, everything put back together. As you can see, got the ground zeros in. We did a little decorating. We got the RGBs in. Got the port painted. You already know what time it is. Got that door in. Got this door in. So, I'm going to go ahead and say, I don't own the rights to no music. This is what's popping up. This is what we're going to play. I don't own the rights to no music. Decaf, money bag, yo. Let's get it. Give y'all a taste. Let y'all hear the mids and highs. We might do a small distance test. See if y'all can hear it clear. I only got one door open. Let's get it. That's what the door opens. And you know it's shooting to the back, not the front. Sorry about that, you guys. Alarm going off. It's time to go get my little girl. I say again, I don't own the rights to no music. This is Bootsy. Let's get it.